Hi guys, welcome back to Lolly in the Pop, and all of you who are new to this channel, please do subscribe. And this is Meghna and Ronit's channel, that is Lolly in the Pop. Today I'll be recreating this look. This is the look that I had created for the shoot of my Spring Summer 2020 trends. If you haven't watched the video, not a problem, because I'm going to link it in my description and you can go and check out that video as well. The makeup that I had done there, everyone just loved it. So I thought about recreating it. I posted it on my Instagram and everyone was like, yes, they want me to create the look so that they can also recreate it. I'm going to show you step by step of how I have created this look. And I hope all of you enjoy it. This is the look. You know, I feel like a candy right now with all this. Hope you like it. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe and go watch the video now. So first of all, prep your skin. Let me just tell you that I have already moisturized my skin. I had taken bath and it's been around 2-3 hours that my skin is already moisturized. But every time before doing makeup, I make sure that I moisturize my skin again. I don't use all the products that I've already used after my bath. I'll just use few products. Otherwise, I'm going to use my essential oil. Take few drops of it, say 2 to 3 drops. 2 drops is enough, and mix it with my moisturizer, which I use for my face. Now that remains a secret for this video, because that I'll be sharing with you in my next video, which will be completely about only skincare. So this is the essential oil from Nykaa and it is the rose essential oil. So I'm just going to take the drop on my hand. Okay, 2 drops, that's it. And I'm going to mix it with my secret moisturizer. I'll apply it all over my skin. Okay. And I'm going to massage it. So I've prepped my skin. It's done. I'm not going to be using foundation at all in my makeup look. What I'll be using is my CC cream and my concealer. Lakme 925 CC cream. And I'll be using my concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this is also in the shade Honey. So my shade is Honey. What I'll do is first I'll put the concealer under my eyes. Okay. Over my eyelids a bit. So main areas like this nose bridge, forehead, and a bit over here. That's it. I do not want to cover spots like this or anything else, so this is what I do. Then I'll take the CC cream onto my palm as much as I require. I'll require this much. Okay, and I'll quickly just put it all over my face. Now let me just tell you, this is actually a very different way of applying the base, but this is my way. I do it this way and this suits me well. So if you want, you can copy this and see how it works out for you and you can follow this. Otherwise, you can stick to the normal ways of how you first apply the CC cream and then the concealer. So now I'm not going to be using a beauty blender. Now the best part is, since I had applied the essential oil just before the makeup as well as my moisturizer, you will see that it doesn't become cakey. Try to moisturize your skin so well that even when you go in an air-conditioned room or place, your face doesn't feel dry. This is how it looks now. Not too much of coverage, as much as coverage as I need to make it look natural. So after having done this, I'm going to use my powder to set the makeup or to set the base. So what I'll be using, you might be very disappointed to see the condition because the name is not showing, it's all over. The Maybelline White Super Fresh powder, or you can use the loose powder, which is also really great for setting, for basically baking, what we call. So I'll dab it all over my face. I'll use my brush a bit. So another thing that I would like to tell you before I move on to my eyebrows is that I do not go for threading of my eyebrows. So it is my natural eyebrow. I have never done threading to it. So I'm just going to use a spoolie, okay, to brush my eyebrows. Okay. Now that I've shown you my eyebrows, I'm going to use this. This is the eyebrow powder. I'm going to use this to fill up my eyebrows a bit more. So I'll just take the brown one first. I've shown this in my previous makeup video, and I'm going to create a line, a borderline. Next, what I'll do is I'll take the black color or the black powder and brush it off a bit because I do not want it to be too dark, and just cover it. Now always remember that when you're filling up your brows, you keep this part darker than this part. This part should be lighter than the tail part of your brow. So this is how my eyebrows look after applying the eyebrow powder. Use the spoolie again and just quickly brush it a bit, so that it takes a good shape. So moving on to the next part, it is going to be the eyelids. So I'm going to put a very natural, very nice eyeshadow to give that natural look, like that as if I have just woken up from sleep and the eyelids are red or something like that. I don't know, whatever this natural makeup look suggests. So for this I'll be using my Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and I've already used this in my earlier video for the glamorous eye makeup look. And this one is in the range, or you can call it in the shade Rose in the Air. It has got a lot of nice shades over here. So with it I'm going to use the Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush. So this is how it looks. I'll be taking the transition tone over here, this one right at the bottom, and I'm going to use it only on my crease area. So I take this and I'm going to apply it only in the crease area. I'm not going to use a lot of shades because I just want to keep it as natural as possible. So here you go, a bit over here and mainly focused over here, and the rest of it which is left in the brush, I'm just going to brush it all over the eyelid. That's it. Just this, nothing apart from that. See, you can already understand this shade coming. So just that. Same thing I'm going to follow for the other eyelid. Okay, and the rest of it that is left, just brush it off all over the eyelid. That's it. So this is how it looks now. Then there is another color over here just at the top. It's an orangish color, so I'm going to take that very little, okay, and I'm again going to put it just on the crease, just on the crease. Same goes for this one, just on the crease. So if you see very closely, you can see that it has got a very natural tone. This is the kajal which I have used. Yes, this is the Color Bar kajal, or I would say this is called the Color Bar all-rounder pencil. So you can use it like a lip liner, you can use it like a kajal, as well as an eyeliner and eyeshadow pencil. So this has got a lot of uses, you see. I'm going to be using this as kajal. So this is how both my eyes are looking after having applied the white kajal. So I am in love with this white kajal. It makes your eyes pop out even more, like the focus is even more on your eyes. Next step is the mascara. This is the Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara from Maybelline. So yeah. Next we'll move on to these cheeks. I will not use blush. What I'll use is lipstick. This is the Color Bar, that hot. I used to use this a lot. So now I have it just a bit. I'll just keep it for my cheeks. Take some on the hand, in your fingers. See? Take very little on your fingers and just put it on your cheeks like this. Okay? And then just roll it like this, and spread it out. You don't want to look like a clown with all that blush over there, so just spread it out. Complete the same step for the other side. So this is a shade. It's a very lovely, very nice red shade and very natural when applied on the lips as well as on the cheeks. Just make you understand how this looks. You will see there's a very natural, I'll show it to you from far, yeah. Can you see that natural plumpy cheeks over there? It doesn't look overdone. It doesn't look like you've put in a lot of blush. I hope you'll like it till now. After having done this, the very next part is the lipstick. No. I have one more thing left. I just forgot. That is the highlighter. You can skip the highlighter if you want to keep it more natural, or if you want that a bit of the glow on the cheekbones and the nose, then you can use the highlighter. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder Poudre Illuminatrix. Yes. So take this. Take my brush. I'm not having a highlighter brush. I'm using this brush. So what I do is I hold it like this and take it onto the tip first, and then hold it over here and just apply it like this. Yeah. Same goes for this side. See? I hold it like a highlighter brush. Now this is called Jugaru. Now you need to be Jugaru. You might not have all the things available to you all the times. Things get broken, things get lost, get stolen. But that doesn't mean we stop till we purchase that thing. Try using whatever is available. I have put that on my cheekbone. Very little, because we are not going to go, this is not a party look where you need it a lot. Very natural. I'll not take any more. Whatever is left on this, I'll use that on my nose and on the forehead. Basically glow everywhere. So for the lipstick, you can go for red, you can go for any other color. You can also do something like, you can take the same color as that you've applied on the cheeks, and you can take it on your fingertips and just apply it on your lips. This is in the nude shade. This shade is the Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Gloss. This is the one. Before that, if you want, you can line your lips with any lip liner that you want to use. I'm going to be using this one. So this is from Miss Claire. Take this beautiful lipstick. It's liquid lipstick and it's beautiful, and apply it on my lips. So this is the final look. I hope all of you like it. I am in love with this makeup. Everything just blends in so well with whatever I'm wearing right now, and whatever you wear, this is going to look awesome. So the final look of the makeup look that I created today, this is my version of the no makeup look. So I hope all of you love it, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also to this video. Share it as much as possible. Give me your views. Stay safe, stay happy, enjoy this look, recreate this look, share it with me. So like, share, comment and subscribe. So thank you so much, and bye bye. Take care.